Hi all, Ben McCulloch here at Martogg. I'm here with Greg Kerslake. Greg is the Group Manufacturing Manager here. And we're here to talk through a few questions that were recently asked at the AIP virtual tour into Martogg. So Greg, I'll run through a few of these with you and we'll get your thoughts on them.
Yep, let's go.
Are there any limitations or considerations which would prevent the production and use of 100% post-consumer waste PET back into food packaging?
Yeah, good question. At this stage, no is the short answer. Essentially, it comes down to you're only as good as the product that you're putting into the machine.
Mm-hmm.
So if we are taking nice, clean, washed PET, recycle it 100%, we can make 100% PET nice and clean, colour stable. A lot of these applications can keep doing that cycle, that circularity. It can keep taking from A to B to C, back to A again. Some of the issues we have, that's the reality. The practicality is that there are some other contaminants in the feed stream from commingled wastes, and it comes down to how clean you can get this material. So if you have, as I said, commingled wastes, if you have colours, they can be the restricting limitations to actually making a 100% continually circular product back into those packaging products.
And I guess it's a question that we see quite often. You know, the colour of it, the look and feel of it. Is it going to affect the structural integrity of the product? Is it going to affect the colour of the product? You know,
colour is colour, polymer is polymer. The amount of colour that you're talking to make something a colour is very, very small and very minuscule, really, in the grand scheme of things. So technically, no. Again, that there's no reason why the structural integrity will be affected by colour. It's just the aesthetics of it. You know, if people want to see what they're actually seeing, consuming, purchasing, they want to be able to see through it. Okay, they want to be able to see what's in there, what quality of the product is in that as well. You know, are they getting brown cupcakes or blue cupcakes? Those sorts of things. So the optical clarity is one of the requirements, obviously, for a lot of the food packaging. Ultimately, that's where colour is a problem. It is a problem for that circularity into those packaging applications. End of the day, are there other avenues and outlets for those colours? There are, but they're not great in number. Not a huge volume can go to those other outlets. So that's why we like to have the packaging in nice and clean, you know, minimal labelling or labelling that can be easily removed through the washing and cleaning process. That's what we're after.
Fantastic. And look, we are seeing lots of brand owners using up to 100% recycled PET back into their packaging.
Absolutely.
Fantastic.
RPET.
Second question, are there opportunities for this RPET, MARPET, to be used for product as well as packaging? So thinking outside of the square.
Absolutely. So PET as a resin itself, it's a good resin. Packaging is primarily, you know, one of its foremost and front runner applications, but you can do alloys, and we do MARPET EP, right behind you there, MARPET EP. Alloys of PET based on recycle it. So you can put other resins, other thermoplastics with it, with other modifiers. You can add mineral or glass fillers, you can put UV stabilizers. There are some engineering applications that we have designed and developed with customers for specific applications to use those, as I was saying earlier, some of the issue materials that maybe have a color that can't go back into that food packaging, where they say, all right, there is an outlet for it. Yes, we have that outlet for MARPET EP.
And it's making the most of a finite resource.
Absolutely, yeah. And it's trying to limit the wastefulness that we have going to landfill.
Fantastic.